Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So I was literally going to do a picture and show you the dethatching of the backyard here tonight. This is the Fescue, Northwest Georgia. If you remember from one of my other videos, I had a moisture problem here, and so I did some manual aerating, put a sand topsoil mixture in right through here in the holes that I plugged. And then tonight I came through with a dethatching machine. That brings me to a point I no longer am going to list products, names of products on my channel. I'm going to tell you the things that I did, and I'm going to tell you the product that I used. For instance, I used oxystrobin tonight, a product that has oxystrobin in it. I'm going to use a liquid dethatcher. Not going to name the brands anymore because some of you guys are just getting too crazy out there with the affiliate links. But anyways, so my grass that I have back here is fescue, shade, big tree canopy back here. So I'm limited to the products I can put out. Over here I did, again, I did a manual core aeration of it, sand and topsoil down in the holes to help alleviate a problem that I had with the soil staying too moist, or too wet. So tonight when I got out here and I did the dethatching with the machine over there, I noticed that, man, I've got a serious thatch problem back here. A serious thatch problem. And that comes from me running my mulching mower blade, gator blade. And sorry, I didn't mean to do that, but mulching blade and mulching all this up. And I built a thick layer of thatch up back here. And now take a look at this. This is after me running that machine over it 2 times and all that I pulled up. I bet you, if I were to go out here in the woods and show you a pile, and I don't know if you can see it back in there, I took a lot off this, guys, and that was my problem. My nutrients weren't able to get down into the soil. The sun wasn't able to get down into the soil and help dry it out. It had just formed a thick layer back here where nothing was able to get down into it. And so what I've done tonight is put out that as oxystrobin. Again, I'm going to put a liquid dethatcher out here. I'm going to let it sit for 24 hours. Then I'm going to come back here and I'm going to put some things like sea kelp and some stuff to help strengthen the roots of the grass. And then in a couple days after all that's had a chance to get into the soil, I'm going to come down back here and overseed with some tall turf type fescue grass seed. So right now it's short turf type fescue. If you can't tell, I'm tired. That was a lot of work back here tonight. And I'll throw a couple pictures up in here to show you exactly how much thatch I pulled off of this. And that was just one pass that's going to be in those pictures. I did 2 passes tonight. So that's it. Again, fescue, Northwest Georgia. Shade is the problem back here, is why I have the fescue. And I'm anxious to see how this is going to look here in a couple weeks after that dethatching. And again, we'll have an overseed going on, but I'm not going to do an overseed video because you guys have enough of those out there to go by right now. That's it. Bermuda Brian, out.